Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Denis bin Ruslan. My supervisor is Sir Muhammad Bakri Syed Harun. Today I would like to presenting my FIP project. Title is FIP Repository System with Automated Classification using the FIDF. So for the first one is introduction. Final year project is basically a short research project to be carried out by final year student in order for them to graduate. And each of the students need to find a supervisor to guide them in progress to completing their final year project. And students also often use the previous final year project as a reference for them to finish their project. However, there is some problem that student faces every semester in order for them to completing their final year project. So there is three main problems that students face in each semester for them to complete in their final year project. So the first one is students have difficulty to find ideas and reference for their final year project. And second, final year project are not classified because the keyword used is not specified and standardized. The third one is it is time consuming for students to search the previous FIP project at the library. So to support the problem statement, survey has been made. From the chart, we can see that almost 86% students have agreed that they have difficulty to find ideas and references for their final year project, and almost 70% agree that searching for previous FIP project at the library is time consuming, and almost 68% students agree that have difficulty to find suitable supervisor. So to solve the problem stated, there is two proposed solutions. First is to create a mobile-based FIP repository system with automated classification features in order to classify the FIP document using the FIDF algorithm. Second is to create a mobile-based FIP repository system that can generate lecture profile. Next, we will talk about technique implemented. So technique that implemented in this project is the FIDF algorithm. The FIDF is basically a technique that can measure how relevant a word is to a document in a collection of documents. So the technique is chosen because the FIDF use numbers to represent how relevant each word is in the document. So let's say if we read a document about mobile development, so the word mobile in the document will have higher numbers that represent the word is more relevant than other words in the document. So in this project, the FIDF will be implemented in the keyword annotation module, where the FIDF algorithm will be used to extract important keyword from the FIP project and then will be assigned to the project itself. Next will be the system features. So there is two main features in the system, which is FIP document categorization to categorize the FIP document based on their category using the FIDF algorithm. And the other one is lecture profile. System will generate lecture profile based on the lecture previous supervised FIP project. So this is the use case diagram for this system. We have the actor, which is student, admin and keyword annotation module. So for the student can use the system to view project list, access the project, filter the project, view project detail, view lecture list, access lecture, view lecture profile, bookmark project, view bookmark list and delete the bookmark. And the admin can log into the system and verify the assigned keyword by ending or removing the assigned keyword. And the annotation module will analyze the FYP project and automatically assign keyword to the project. For the system demo, it will be divided into 3 sections. For the keyword annotation module system demo, the admin need to run this Python script in order to upload FYP document information into the database. So the FYP document need to be named as dataset as a CSV file. So when we run this script, so basically this script will extract important keyword from the FYP document uploaded, and then it will upload the document with assigned keyword into the database. So we can see this document is successfully uploaded, and when we see the database, you can see that the project information is already been uploaded into the database. So for the web-based repository system demo, the admin first need to log into the system. After that, there will be a list of semester, list of program, and then here is the list of project. When we click the list of project, we will show the project detail and assign keyword. So from here, we can delete some keywords that are related to the project, and also can add a new keyword to the project. After the admin is satisfied with the assigned keyword, the admin can verify the project by click the verify button. So as you can see, the project is already verified. So when the project is already verified, you can see that the name of the project is then blue. So finally, the admin can log out for the system. So here is the system demo for FYP Repertory System mobile base. So here student can view list of project. And student also can search the project. Let's say we search project that start with A, with mobile and game and mobile type. So here we can see the list of project we starting with A that have game and mobile in it. So when we click the project, it will show the project detail. We have some student, supervisor, and extra information. We also can bookmark the project by clicking the bookmark button. Next, we can see the bookmark project in the bookmark section here. The previous project we bookmark. When we click it, it will show the project detail. And when we click the bookmark button again, it will unbookmark the project. So there is no project bookmark left. Next is the lecture list. Here we can see lecture list, and we can also search it. Let's say we search lecture that have a neuro in her name. So here is 3 lecture that have neuro in her name. When we click the lecture, it will show the lecture profile, which have the keyword that they have previously supervised project and supervised categories trend chart. We show the chart based on the time semester that previously supervised and some of the supervised category by chart. So below is we can see the supervised project that has been previously supervised by the lecture. The conclusion and future words. So for the conclusion, the developed system is a viable alternative to store FYP information, which able to save student time in searching for FYP information. And the system also show great potential in eliminating the problem that students faces every semester, that they cannot find suitable supervisor to guide them in completing their final year project. So there is 2 features word that can be used in the system to improve the user experience. The first one is the system can be enhanced further by implementing the clustering technique that allows students to find related FYP project based on their interest FYP project. Next is we can include lecture per profile of student that the lecturer interested in the lecture profile. So the student can know better that what kind of student that the lecturer is finding currently. So that's all for me. Thank you.